Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we're going to give you the demo on the Leblond 15 inches by 54 inches manual engine lathe. This is an ex-college machine. It was running in a technical school. This machine has a brand new 2-axis PRM DRO on it. The machine has 10 inches 3-jaw chuck currently mounted. It has a 4-way tool post. It has a steady rest and the follow rest. It has a tailstock manuals, and the machine has a 12 inches 4-jaw chuck. So this machine is in a great condition. Now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir.
351 RPM.
351 RPM right now on the spindle.
Threading.
Right now threading, forward threading going on.
Reverse cross
That's a
feed.
reverse cross feed. Forward longitudinal feed going on. Now we're gonna reverse the direction on the feeds and on the threading. That's a reverse threading going on. That's a forward cross feed going on. And that's a reverse longitudinal feed. Now we're going to show you the different RPMs on the headstock.
RPMs.
132 RPM.
95 RPM.
95 RPM.
45 RPM.
45 RPM.
179 RPM.
179 RPM.
654.
654 RPM. 1800 RPM. The spindle is very quiet. This machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.